Yeah, here the problem is from projections of solids given hexagonal pyramid. Okay, so if you read the problem, resting base edge, so we have to take edge condition in the problem. So first of all we have to draw the hexagon and a triangle. Okay, because it is hexagonal pyramid. If it is hexagonal prism, we will draw hexagon and a rectangle. So here it is hexagonal pyramid, so draw hexagon and a triangle. And which hexagon we have to draw? We have two types of hexagons. One is horizontal hexagon and another one is vertical hexagon. So here edge is resting, so edge must be, edge means nothing but side, that side must be right or left. So here first of all I will draw the hexagon and the triangle. Next we will see. Yeah, here initial position is completed. So hexagon, vertical hexagon, edge we have to take here, edge resting, and this is the triangle. If it is prism, we will take rectangle. So here it is pyramid, so triangle. Next, if you see the problem, base inclined 35 degrees to HP. Base means this is the base. Base is 35 degrees inclined to HP. So in VP we have to take a 35 degrees inclination line. This is 35 degrees inclination line and the base length will be same. That is how much here? First of all take a 35 degrees inclination line, all of you. So take a 35 degrees inclination line. So this is approximately 35, but you take with protractor. So this is 35 degrees. On this 35 degrees you take this line. Indicate the points. This will be A dash, B dash, C dash, F dash, E dash, D dash. Okay, now draw the axis with 70 mm. This is axis which must be perpendicular to the base. So here these two are perpendicular, then only your problem will be correct. So here now the base is taking how much? 35 degrees inclination. This is the base 35 degrees. Here it is the 35 degrees. Base is 35 degrees. Now complete the top view. Okay, now complete the top view. Draw projections downward. Draw projections downward. All projections downward. And draw the horizontal projections. Draw horizontally projections. This is the point F. So this is F vertical and horizontal. This will be F1. Next projection, this will be E1. This will be A1. This will be D1. This will be B1. And this will be C1. And also we have to indicate the apex. So from the center also we have to draw the projection. Now this is O. This is O dash, O1 dash. This will be O. Like that we have to indicate all the points. Just join them. First of all we have to highlight the out points, dark the out points. Out points is DC, BC, O, outline points. These all are outline points. Outline points we have to join blindly first. Next, what we have to join? We have to join ABCDE. in ABCD hexagon, AB not joined. So we have to join AB with the dash because internal line it is. Internal line. Interior lines are dashed lines. Okay. Now join every point to the apex. Every point to the apex. OF, OE, OD, OC. Okay. Now this is the second view, base 35 degrees inclination. Next, what inclination we have to take? Resting edge 45 degrees. Which is resting here? This AB, which is on the reference line. This AB is resting. That AB, how much taking inclination? 45 degrees. So take a 45 degrees inclination first. Upper inclination is completed. Now down inclination. So take a 45 degrees inclination line. On this 45 degrees inclination line, you just shift this to here. Like this we have to shift. How I am shifting? First indicate AB on this line. So here this point I am indicating as A and B. So measure the distance A to B. Measure the distance A to B, and from A cut this line. Now AB is taking 45 degrees inclination. 45 degrees inclination. 45 degrees inclination. Now indicate this point as B. As per this AB, you just shift this. How I am shifting? See here. So first take the rectangle box. First shift the total rectangle box. So here from A to this line, from A to here, draw a line. From B to this point, take one more line. Through those lines, draw the perpendiculars. Through those lines, draw the perpendiculars. Perpendiculars to AB. Perpendiculars to AB. Now here to here, here to this corner. Now like this, shift the rectangle box first. In this rectangle box you indicate all the points. So B to O, here you will get O2. Now A to C or B to C, B to C and A to F will be same, and A to E. The opposite point, A opposite point will be E. So A opposite point. So draw perpendicular line. Here you will get point E. Draw perpendicular line. Here you will get B opposite D. So just join them. So that we have shifted. Like this we have to shift the view and just join every line to the O. Like this, and draw projections upward. Draw projections upward. So take all projections upward and take horizontal projections here. So from top onwards I am coming. So at the top apex, this is O and O2. This intersecting point will be O2 dash. Okay. Now draw projection here. This line is ED. ED. Next, projection FC. FC, and on the reference line AB, this is A2, B2. Join the outline first. Join the outline points. Join the outline points. I am drawing with pen, but I use pencil and dark the lines. This is the final view, must be dark. First outline dark. Next interior points. Interior point lines are dashed. This is the interior point, so dashed. This is interior points, so dashed. So this is dashed, means dotted. And join every point to the apex. F is dark, so A is also dark, so this is dotted, so the line is dotted. This is dotted. Completed. So these two are dark, these two are medium dark, these two are medium dark. Okay, so this is base inclination, this is the edge inclination. Okay, and you have to show the dimensions also. The height you have to show here, the height 70 mm you have to show here, and the side length 25 mm, so 25 mm also you have to show here. Okay, completed.